Hello everyone, this second video will be short. It will be just to show you how to open the filter of the air conditioning and clean it and put it back. So we will do the same as in the first video. We need to open the glove box first. It will be easier to open and remove the filter. So for the glove box, you need to push this one out, push this side out, then just pull up the anchor points, the hooks. So you can see here, this is the filter. This one is the filter door. We open the filter door first, then we can pull out the filter. So this is the blower and the filter is in the suction side. So this is the suction, the air come down to the blower, then go this side to the distributor duct. So this is the inlet, where is the vacuum. So to remove this cover, put your finger inside, you'll find a lip here protruding out. You pull the lip out a bit and just pull out. So this is the lip, you can see here, just pull out from this side. So this is the lip, you put your finger underneath, a springy, don't push too hard, you can break the plastic. So you just pull out a bit and pull, then this side will go out. So when you put back, you put this side first, then you push. Okay, so now this is the filter. So put your finger here and just pull it out. So this is the filter. It's already accumulated in a month, quite dust here. So you can either blow it or wash it, then dry it, then put it back. So in this video, I'll just show you how to fix it, how to open it and close it, but then you need to clean it. So when you put back, you put back as it is. So this one will be to the bottom side. The other side will be the same here. It's symmetric. So you put here, you can see here, this is the blower inside. It's not very bright here. You can see this is the inlet of the blower. You can see the blower suction side, the center is there. Okay, so let's put back this filter. So you push the filter inside. This is your guide to show you which direction. Then you take the lip, you take this side, put it under this opening here. You have opening, you push it inside, then you push this side until it clicks in place, and that is how you fix the filter. Then you put back the glove box. You have two hooks, one hook here, one hook here. You put the hooks first, then you have these protrusion plastics go inside here and inside here. So these are the hooks that you put in those anchor points, one hook and another hook. So you can see here, you need to align, put the hook first, put the other hook in place. Okay, now you can see here there are two intrusions, this one and the other side the same. So you need to push this one inside a bit so it can go inside. So you push this one a bit inside, push the other side inside, then just lock in. Okay, thank you for watching, and next one we will do the blower, how to change the blower.